Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
You guys know, a key no come back.
Leslie, what go on? There man, come check your man, cause we realize as we tell you what it is, so you want some strength and grocery and them little thing there.
Put your light in
and your fridge empty. Cause you know Peter they were always a look out for you. Peter, you could know what go on. You understand? Hold on this, yeah. I think go lock by the door, Peter. So the reflection stay back in. Yeah. You can stay like. Yeah, you can stay like.
And them door, you want to feel on them door, man. Look there.
You want a door, man.
What do you mean, man?
I want a door.
Thing out the window there, yes.
Yeah.
You know those. Be a mosquito, you see it?
Yeah,
be a mosquito.
Want to sort out. And see how Peter will always help you with the Leslie, so as we say, we have $3,000 for you. As I say, I start out some grocery for you, right? So I'm not getting a chance.
Don't worry yourself, but you're going to get it, man.
Yeah,
don't worry yourself,
but you need grocery as well because you feel empty. So you know Peter there look out.
But as I was saying, the money, when we give the money, you know, sir, a grocery for buy with it. You understand? Yeah. Next time I come check you, I might bring some grocery.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why we need it.
I get $3 grand.
Yeah, so we get $3 grand from Cindy and Snoop for America. Yeah, that's $3 grand. So count it, make sure you see it. I want Peter count make it out.
You can't count it, man.
$3 grand. So you can tell Cindy and Snoop thanks. Yeah. They man grow here, Peter.
What do you mean? Yeah, sometimes I say the groove if you see you still in a status, but we can't do nothing else. Everything in a God's hand, don't it?
Yeah, true.
So,
yeah.
Just take the money, man, and just buy grocery, yeah?
Yeah. And as I say, I bring some grocery come give you.
And I say, until we get help, man, we fix up all like don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah.
I know you can't hide it, because the whole world has seen it.
The whole world has seen it, you know, Tata, you see me, and they might watch what I go on, so they will get the help, because the help is needed. Yeah? Because we realize your fridge empty the other day and someone see it and say, oh, they don't like your fridge empty, so they might help you out with some grocery. Yeah, so you can start.
That's God bless me, I make me there, so I can look out for you, don't. I'm say, no man, look here who wants to see you. I want to say what them say, me know me I do it for you.
True.
You understand? So if them want to do it, them do it. If them not do it, at least me get a help right as a fear.
Yeah.
So I see it.
I know Peter them grow me. You see me I say?
So we see it, you understand?
Good person.
So we see that I make you want to say.
Yeah. I know Peter a good person a long time. I don't have to hide and talk that. And then man, they not gonna make it there. And no say I try to get some farmer help for you.
Mostly I follow more on the concrete around us, because when the rain fall, come like a swimming pool around there, so I'm more the one you go this and go drop. Because if you drop at the last side, you understand? That's the good thing about just one stay in the house, man. You see it?
I want to say I forgot the bathroom.
Yeah, I
cross the
around there, so.
bag of water there.
See it?
You see me? So everything is alright, man, Leslie. Yeah? And you're going to see me back again very soon.
And watch nothing man, you're there man, see? This, but I win for your side, you know.
Oh, you don't put it
Yeah,
in
we
yet?
don't put it in yet. I win for your side, I fix it up for you man. But as I say, I know everything we can do.
Yeah, we understand, man.
Everything we can do.
Yeah.
Tata, when God send me come back,
Yeah.
and when we not talk, you understand, but the greatest thing we have life, and if we have life, our Father God make we have life, and we can come visit you again.
Yeah.
So let's go and take it easy, yeah? Alright.
Alright, you hear Leslie?
Alright, bro.
Yeah, take care.
Go and go sit down, man. We'll really soon come, and soon send somebody come.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go and relax.
How are you doing? You want something for buy? Alright, go and go sit down back, man. Alright, little more, yeah? Alright.
Alright.
Just take your time and go on back, man.
Alright, you hear?
Yeah, just where you stick there.
No.
Alright, go on. Alright, little more, yeah?
Alright, so we'll come back.
Yes, man, I eat, man.
Right,
Oh,
man.
no, chef, man.
Yeah.
Cook shop, upgrade, you know, man.
Yeah, see it there?
I'm running, man.
You know,
One
hold it.
cleaner, you know, one team team.
You know, hold it for.
Alright.
You see? Hold it for brown stew curry.
Yeah.
Brown stew
Hold it for
curry.
Ital.
Either one there.
Ital,
Hold it for brown stew curry. Stallion,
Joe
stallion.
there, the black carpy there, chop it.
I said them on 1 week quarter.
Baja. Yeah, Baja, so you know, so there we have a drink from Sophia. Sophia and Courtney.
Alright, Sophia and Courtney, big up for it, you know, because you don't know the part of the energy that, you know.
Yeah.
Get the vibes up.
Sophia
The
and
vibes up,
Courtney.
you know what's the thing.
Yeah.
Big up Sophia and Courtney.
See
Yeah.
there?
Don't know the thing, everything set, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Fix up the kitchen.
Fix up the chef's kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Friend in need, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they have same set.
See that tarpy?
Yeah, man.
You me chop, black me
Yeah.
chop, me chop the next black.
Yeah. You see that Baja? Bramovich.
Yeah.
From Sophia and Courtney, you see me?
Sophia and Courtney, big up, you know.
Big up, you know.
Yeah, the vibes
So-
master.
Yeah, so this is the bigger uncle for Ray and nephew.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bigger uncle.
Yeah, for Christmas.
Yes, yeah.
So Ray have to call him uncle
Yeah.
and nephew have to call him uncle too. So it's the bigger uncle for Ray and nephew.
A real life, man. Happy time, you see me?
Yeah.
So we love to happy and jolly.
Yeah, so big up Sophia and Courtney.
Yeah, man.
Courtney and Sophia.
Yeah, man.
Upload.
Real vibes.
Sophia and Sophia.
Let them see it, you know.
Put yourself.
Let them know it's not a joke thing, you know.
See there?
That's a front push thing. Bramovich. Signature.
Signature.
Brand 10.
Dream team.
Yeah,
One
yeah, man.
team.
Never compete.
They are shot up the soup.
Yo, Zaga Zaga Zo.
Zaga, zaga, zaga.
Yes, sir. Zaga Zaga Zo in the kitchen.
Wow, chef today about zaga, zaga, zaga.
Yeah, wow, chef today.
Vegetable ready, the tray vegetable for the week.
Yeah.
So that would depend. Some high beach,
Hi, bitch.
look at saltfish.
Yeah.
It's in a high beach. We look at saltfish. You understand? High beach. And look at pocket on the side between it. Saltfish and certain things. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
So, that's what I deal with today.
Yeah, we saw her go on in there.
Clean and ready.
Yeah.
Then just put on the pot, so that's water and
Okay, so
see,
just the time.
yeah.
Circle it back.
So you have a circle, there's the dumpling and and banana.
And see the Aki here.
See the ackee right
The
there.
eyes, them a look for an eye.
Yeah. So that's right there.
Alright then.
Yes, alright.
Dream team, hear me I say now. Zaga Zaga Zo. Come in, Dream team. Yeah. Yeah, sit there, you know. Slide it. So we have a
Yes, go on. Man, touch, just look.
we have a unknown source from America. Where is a watch collector we're doing some watch. Baja, the bill there.
Come in, Baja, come teacher.
Teacher, first of
Yeah.
Money one of my own.
The bill there.
Come in, teacher. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. No man, what you know?
Yeah, so this is where we have this from a donor from overseas.
Well, ladies. Here, man, watch them, man. What time down there?
What time is it?
Who send them watcher?
Yes, you know, is that him, yeah? And listen, he's an unknown from USA.
USA.
We want to keep it unknown. He's a watch collector.
Yeah.
And I'm like where the dream team are going with. So
Just donate some.
yeah, so let's donate some watch to the hard-working dream team and them.
Unknown. Yeah, I know the time, man.
Yeah, so they can know the time.
Yeah, man, what time is it?
Yeah.
Unknown.
So they know say dream team always like on time for work.
Alright, time. Yeah, what time is it?
What time is it?
So listen up.
Yeah.
Say, man, we're going to take up them watch. You know, for what time is it?
Yeah.
You see?
So here we're going to do now. So we're going to know some watch to remember them, yeah? Let me choose this for the bill, man. You see me I say?
Understand?
Yeah.
For the bill. I'm not going
No, man, can you hear why? Bill is not a man away much deal. It's like a day watch. So it at least matters for occasion. So if you know this man is always a working man.
Which,
Yes,
yo,
what I
the
say.
bill say which is right.
Which is right.
Yeah, which is right.
So we'll say, yo, the bill,
Bill.
money sign. That's how we might try to tell the team, say, yo,
Yeah,
money.
money,
focus,
money.
man. No worry.
Good topic.
Straight, like, you see me I say, money we are the see there. But it's for the bill, from unknown.
Yeah, man. Unknown. Enough respect, man.
Yeah.
Consider us. Yeah, no friend us, all of this.
Yeah.
So one of the things that good for us,
Yeah.
Yeah.
good for us is somebody out there.
Yeah.
Look on and I see where I go on and I do the work for it.
Yeah.
Because I know you see where they are now. All of we need.
Yeah.
And have issue.
Yeah.
But what? We put the difference aside. Help somebody else.
Yeah.
And we do it for the love.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I say we don't want things to done for you right now in a situation. But we try to help others. Regardless of our circumstances.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So enough love and appreciation.
All the time.
Enough love for those who can do it there.
Tell love.
Yes, love.
James.
One team. So yeah. You sure we're gonna do it now? Yeah, we'll do it. Right, Marvin Morgan.
Yeah.
You know them man.
No one of man, because I'm the man of
They say army.
Yeah, man, me one of man.
Alright, so Marvin Morgan.
Unknown. Listen, Tom is a watchman, you know.
So some of the man deal with another.
Alright, so this is what I say. Yeah. So cause I don't really know how to do it, you know, so Talpi.
Yeah, no itching thing, teacher. Blessing and loan.
Yeah.
And time.
And time.
And time.
Watch.
Yeah.
So
Give thanks to this, you know.
yeah.
One God and a Papa Jesus. You never know this is happen, but
Yeah.
God make everything work.
Yeah.
So just know everybody on the board, make them do what them have to do.
Yeah.
So give thanks to everything we want to done do now.
Yeah.
Big up one of them on the board.
Yeah.
Don't know another Adan.
Yeah.
One cleaner, one GMT.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lady.
man, one love.
Unknown, give thanks, man.
Yeah,
More
man.
love, man.
Yeah.
Listen, love, man. Yeah, man. All I do one of them. Everybody love the preaching. And Dream Team continue with the good work, yeah? Dream Team. Yeah, man. You see, you want to find that one.
Alright, so catch
Don't know
man.
the unknown. Big up enough. Dream Team, they are doing the good work, you know. One love.
Yeah.
One team, you know, Dream Team, unknown, big up yourself, you know. What time now?
What time is it?
Everybody know the time, you know.
What time is it?
What time is the key to your forward?
Yeah. I know the time. So
Everybody
Ali.
time.
Alright, you are no unknown. Big up yourself, you know, because we are saying, what time is it? So if Kino said 3:30 the man them for there, you know, no man can say them never have on them watching, you know. We know the time, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Unknown, big up.
It's a painter.
Unknown, you don't know, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Give thanks to the watcher, you know. You see, it's a long time you don't want watch. You don't know, yes, sir. Big up yourself.
Carl.
Yes, man. Well, give thanks in unknown.
Yeah.
This we are working, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know the time.
Yeah. Liquor. So for you from Unknown, can your name company and thing?
One lady.
Thank you, Unknown. Many God bless you.
Angela,
Keep you and your family.
And baby.
Never empty.
Yeah.
Father God, keep
Them
you
come
straight.
Yeah. Alright. So you
Respect and thanks. Blessed and love and respect.
So big up again in the Unknown Dream Team. They are
yeah.
my team. What time now?
Yeah, man.
What time is it? Alright, so baby not there.
Yeah.
Baby not there and
Kedan
Kedan not there and Jella not there. You see me?
Yeah, she done it. She done it.
Short time.
Yeah, baby.
So we can get baby and Kedan and Jella. So this is a
This is a baby watch.
I'll leave my lady watch on
baby watch. Yeah, so 3 members listening, so 3 of them will be here. So give thanks to Andrew.
Yeah, man, give thanks to
Many
Unknown
thanks and many
and team, man.
blessings.
Give thanks to Peter, Mikey, and Felicia. You know, one tweet. Yeah, Kino, give thanks to Energy, brother.
Yes,
Whole heap of love and
And
strength.
my
You
baby
hear that?
also, I know scene from morning. So tweet and Felicia, I get to you.
yeah.
Do the work now. Say something, brother. So confident, yeah, self-confident.
Yeah, do it different from when you was shy.
Yeah, brother. But me say, but me as I said.
Yo, Colors.
Yeah.
Colors. Colors, what go on?
Me, I go to you, bro.
Yeah.
No.
Colors, what go on?
I just don't too long wake up.
So late?
Too long, get up.
Yeah, so late there, wait, man, Colors.
Yes, man. Every boy, I don't know what them have got to bed, boy. But Richie, can't stop. Come like I can't wake when I'm in it, man.
Yeah.
I got a friend when I came out here, I see the workers.
Yeah.
Team. And Ray said, yo, we come out to come see you sleeping.
Yeah.
Spread out.
Spread out.
Oh my gosh.
And the work start.
Yeah.
Work
You know,
start, man.
a boy thing, you know, say, you know, the boss have to be out here.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. If it's leave my back, you know, I have to lift.
Yeah, so get ready, be ready for work.
Yes, man. Whatever.
How much bag you want to lift? Anything you want to lift? Anything you want to do? See you there?
Yeah, man.
When you're ready, sit there. Anything you want to do, we go see what you can do now.
Boss.
Where you go?
To all those folks up there now. Yeah, I can't forget you guys, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. All that donuts, them, you know. Yeah, no boss, love, you know. You got the boss ginger too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time now?
Right.
See time then I said.
Unknown.
Unknown, big up.
Yeah.
Time I said, look. Unknown.
Time I say. I said, Joe, what time it has say?
I know what time is it?
Yeah.
It's after 2.
Yes, sir.
Ah. It's very late, man.
You just give us so much a while ago, so you just arrived on the scene, you know? Yeah. And we have a watch from Unknown. I know it's more like a ladies' watch. What do you think?
Yeah.
So that's the one I choose for you. And that's from Unknown from the US.
Unknown from the US for the watch. You always tell the time.
Ah.
What time now?
What time now?
So,
2 o'clock.
so time for them on the job.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We know what time we reach our work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bless up and thanks.
Yeah.
For the watch.
Unknown.
Unknown. One team.
One team. Where's the colors?
Yeah, man, I'm here chilling out, just looking at the dream team.
Yeah.
Out some work, you know?
Of course.
Yeah.
Work is needed.
All for the dream team, man.
Oh.
Really out them, you know? Yeah, man, I leave them out, man.
Oh.
But right now,
Yes, sir. What's wrong?
well need, you know.
Well
So right now,
Yeah.
I just go and stay out here because if I go back in that cottage there, if I just go on the bed, man, you guys don't see me till 5 o'clock.
So you have to go stay out
Yeah,
here.
I'm gonna stay out
Because
here.
2 o'clock you just a wake up.
Yeah,
Comfortable.
comfortable. I
Wow.
don't know what they put in the mattress there, the pasta feed it there, but whenever time I lay on it, man, oh my God.
Yeah, get up.
Yeah.
Then put hold me down on the bed.
Oh, that's what I'm saying, yeah. I can't believe they do that, man. You know how long I don't sleep so?
So long. Alright then.
Real, long time I don't sleep so much, man. I just tell him, kid, I don't know what they put in there. Pasta feed it. I don't know what they put in the pasta
For the
feed
care
it.
pass.
Yeah. Or they put something in it, man.
Jella just a reach.
Just arrive, you know.
So every man get the watch for them can tell the
What
time.
time?
So let me tell the time now. What time is it?
After 3, to 3, me say. To 3.
Yeah. See there, so we're there. So we have a watch for you and Kedan. And Kedan is not here, the electrician.
Yeah, man, Kedan
So-
can take that one. Yeah.
So which one you want? So Kedan we get the man watch, it's more like a ladies watch. Yeah, so the purse is from Unknown from the USA.
Unknown from where?
From America.
Unknown from America. Love, respect, and thanks.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Big up all the donors that make this possible.
Yeah.
Life.
Yeah, so every man on the team now have a watch, I can tell the time. I know, say, yo, when that time for work, they look on them hand and say, yo, what time for work.
Place, what time, Kino?
Yeah, so.
What time now?
Yeah, see?
Big down for the
Yeah.
You always know say yeah.
Look for your hand.
And time.
Yeah.
Not all the taxi company, you know.
Of course. And don't forget, class them sell what battery, you know.
Yes.
And band, say if you feel like you
Yeah,
know,
man, I always patronize, man. Them man, they didn't even watch thing, man. Come on, man.
Alright, there's a seat there.
Everything there.
Everything there.
Everything there.
Alright then, so we have one for Kedan when him arrive.
Well, Zen, on time?
Start for you till the time.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, man. Listen, man, welcome to the kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, the kitchen today like that.
Wow, chef is not here.
So Zaga, one less. Yeah.
Zaga.
Yeah. Real chef, you
So
know.
the fans them see you cook the curry while they and say yes, we love how Marvin, them love how somebody can play a part, see me when the whole chef not there here, you know, so
Zaga,
we have a lot of chef
Yeah.
in the team as well, you know, say the magical Marvin.
A special time we cook, you know,
one of the-
we're not
yeah.
regular, like, we have special people who turn up in our kitchen.
Yeah,
You see, because today is a special day, our kitchen day today.
yeah.
Wow,
Whoa.
day today. You understand? So,
yeah.
a special day, so I'm in our kitchen.
Yeah, so the chef down on a little one and two for earn
Yeah.
something, so.
So, I'm there.
Then say it's a fry up.
Yeah, I do a little season, give a little spice in the pot.
Yeah.
So, get a little smell.
Right, it smells good.
You see? Then I put in my garbage. You see? I put in my garbage.
Yeah, so I love how you have your pepper, the scale,
Time, everything we get a spice here. You see? I smell it already. Yeah.
And after now you are cooking in the
Garbage on it.
You say you are the vegetable eating today.
Yeah, man, I'll be a vegetable I cook today. It is vegetable day, you know?
Yeah.
You see when I'm done, this now and this simmer down.
Yeah.
I put some bean in it.
Okay.
You see, I'm a saltfish. And get a different look and a different taste. You see, so I think the vegetable ready for the week. Tomorrow is a fish day.
Fish day, yeah, because we have a guest as well.
I guess
today.
tomorrow, so you don't know.
We have a guest.
See, that's how we do it.
Yeah.
You think we have to prepare the thing, we have to prepare the thing, not for ourselves alone and for the world.
Sure. Because the world I watch.
The world will watch it, you know.
Everybody I watch, so you don't know, we have to show them appreciation for what they do. So we're going to big up Sophia and
Sophia,
Courtney for providing this meal as well for us.
blessing love for providing this fine meal today.
Yeah.
You see that we put a bun,
Yeah.
red fine.
Great fun.
You see, because I forget bun in the kitchen.
Yeah, of
You
course.
see,
Of
no
course.
matter how about outside, in a kitchen.
In a kitchen.
You understand me?
Yeah.
To make a good spice.
That's
You
right.
see, so I let me do that deal. So you know, just I put my season down at the bottom of the eye beach.
Yeah.
I never put nothing on the top. You get the smell from down there come up. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So me while the work I go on outside the gym team and put on the work.
Yeah.
I know the things already. So it's one of the big pot we have today on the side.
We have dumpling and banana. You know the big pot here, so you see that? Dumpling and banana. Yeah.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, dumpling and banana.
Dumpling and banana. Bottom there, you know this.
So you have boil the starfish as
You know,
well.
I'm gonna put a salt tonight. So the saltfish is saltfish. So I put the saltfish in the pot.
To get the salt.
Yeah, to get the salt from it.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Official.
Official. So that's how
You hear that?
really cook. You know, when I cook, you know, type of way where, you know, no way we have to fight for it.
Yeah.
When I do it that way, you know, so the food have to taste.
Of course.
You see?
One pot of banana
And dumpling.
and dumpling and everything.
Pot of banana jar for a big spoon. The way I done this here. See that? I'll make sure I show you something again. Put this of green things in it. So you know this, my partner fry it up.
Yeah.
Put this of the banana leaf in it. This is banana when I peel off,
Yeah.
I drop it in the pot, so my pot no frothy from.
Oh, so that prevent it from the
Yeah,
start up.
it's all the stain,
Yeah.
no stain on my pot. You can
Okay.
see everything clear.
That's new. Something I just learned that.
Yeah?
Chop a piece of banana skin in it.
Yeah.
The stem part that.
Yeah, that's stem part come by banana, skin part. So you can see everything done in the pot.
Yeah, that's something new.
You understand? So now come about the pot and just put in the dumpling and the banana and the ground. So 21 minutes.
And you have the ackee for God deal with
And
next.
the hockey for the natural spice out there now. So now cover up this. You can go and hold a vine. Put on the cream on me.
Okay.
See, so now spice up cream on hockey now.
Alright then.
So everything up on the go.
Alright then, so we circle you back when
Yeah,
the
man,
pot
so
ready.
come back on, when I say I see everything from 5.
Alright then.
Everything, hockey, everything.
Yeah. Magical.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks beautiful. That's a beautiful. Beautiful. Hero, that's how I go on. Magical I go on with. It's a magical I go on with. Magical I go on with that bag of things. Magical I go on with that bag of things, man. Ackee with beans, man. And dumpling.
Yeah, man, hockey them, man. No, man, hockey look pretty. See, I know that.
You hear me? I tell you, man, Ackee look beautiful.
Beautiful. And the magic like kitchen?
Yeah, man. Magic in the
So
kitchen.
it's a complete dish, you know? It's a complete dish.
Yeah.
This is keema spice,
This is
beans and hockey. One make out of vegetables. Cabbage, saltfish, beans, and look at spice so we can reveal. Because we not to reveal every spice.
yeah, reveal some.
It's your own spice.
Yeah.
You see, because we have many chefs, you know.
Many chefs.
All chefs.
And the Zaga sauce, magical chef.
And you have licorice,
and you have Afro spice.
Afro spice.
And you have wormy.
You see, they have worm.
A lot of
You
chefs
see,
on the
so we have
kitchen.
whole battalion. So let's give it as a platform.
Yeah.
You see, now my birthday coming up and me I cook again.
Alright
You
then.
see, because 17 is my birthday.
And I him a cook.
So me I go cook.
Cheers.
You see, some fish head soup.
Yeah.
You get me and some curry. You see, a 3 type of meat we're going to cook. You see, so I saw one with a drink some liquor and us have
Have a vibe.
Have a vibe.
Yeah.
Because we
Merry.
usually keep, when I believe in our son, birthday. And I really know our friend.
Yeah. Good life.
One team.
One team and dream team.
Yeah man, see that this spice a bit.
Yeah man, Spike's ready. Right now. People them see this mouth water that's a run, so that drip. Drip.
You know, master the fat time.
Ready. Yeah. Magical is ready, man.
Yeah man,
Whoa. Yeah, look who just arrived.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Whoa, just arrived. Look at this. Whoa, just arrived.
Yeah man, you know,
Whoa, just arrived.
a film there, you know, a film shop where I deal with.
Yeah.
I'm not going to work tomorrow, but they're on the ends, you know.
Yeah, so the wow chef just arrived. Look how the man appear like a man teleport a while ago.
Magic, what a style it. Yeah? What a style it. Magic, vegetable, cabbage stew, you call it. Vegetable cabbage stew.
Yeah.
I know star, yo.
Whoa.
Cabbage stew, you call it. And the book now come out today, and the book already.
Yeah. And the boat now come come out yet.
We have one more spice. We have one more spice there.
You don't walk up with something different, that's it.
Yeah, man,
keep the style from
Yo, so that your man, okay, and Jesus, promote it away. Where you come from? The beans,
Right time. Whoa, let's up here, so. Whoa.
I tell you, come, go tell you, coach, you there, you know? Quick and fast.
No,
Yeah, man.
No, sir, no.
no, tell him, sure, no, chef.
Imagine me like that.
That's it.
That's the whole flavor. It's the sweet pepper. It's the onion. It's everything. Everything is matched.
Red, green, and gold.
Everything.
Red, green, and gold.
Rough it, man. Rough it.
Yeah, the red,
I
green,
would
and
eat it yet.
eat it yet.
Yeah, I see.
Straight look.
Check present it.
All right, man. You there, you know?
See that?
You see?
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.